All right, guys, we're on a hardwood job. As you can see, we're in Grafton, Illinois. Got the van out there parked in front. And we're doing some hardwood floors for a hotel in Grafton that just bought this place. They were redoing it, and they wanted to keep the hardwood floors intact because the character. And it's been aged, beat up. And we came out and did a demo. We removed all the filth, and this was, it was good under there. And they were excited about that. So we're going to remove the film, the gunk, the funk, the grease, and then we're going to screen recoat it to make these floors look improved. This is a commercial setting, so they didn't want perfect. They want to have the character, but they want the floors to look improved, so have a nice wear layer. You can just see, all the contamination. So, and they saw that we had other success in a commercial setting for hardwood for the other place we did a couple months ago in Solar, Illinois, or Solar, Missouri, and now we're here to do Grafton. So we got Jerry in the scene. We got this other floor here to do. So basically, guys, what we're gonna do is remove this soil load and the grease, the film, and then here's the other area we're doing. Just beat up real good, and he's taping off to protect herself. We got the lighting set up. Then after that, we're gonna get all this wear layer off. We're gonna get the soil off, and then we're ready to screen it down aggressively and coat it with the satin sheen. And guys, they're excited. So this is gonna be a good one. Stay tuned for results. And as always, thanks for watching. Hey, let's go. All right, guys, we are screening. You can see we got Jerry on it now, and we're gonna attack it.
Yeah. It's helping.
Oh yeah.
Can't get it 100%, but we get it pretty good.
All right, guys, you can see we're putting it down now. This is a satin sheen, water-based polyurethane. The client's gonna love it. These floors are over 100 years old, and we're saving their floors from replacement or sanding. Hey, let's go. All right, guys, we're back. Look at this beautiful floor. Done one day. We got all the grease off that was caked on and got the satin sheen on there, only the first coat, and it looks amazing. Even my guy Jerry's like, he couldn't believe how good it turned out. But a night and day difference, guys. We'll show you this other area over here. Beautiful bar. We were noticing all the detail in this wooden bar from the 1800s. Stunning. But, as wood guys, we notice the wood. But look at this, guys. Beautiful satin sheen. No odor. Same day service. Sandless. Got all the soil off. Got all the dirt. The caked on grease. Removed it. Satin coat of polyurethane. They are stunned. That's what we do. AOClean.com. All right, this floor turned out great.
Tony from the Reubel Hotel in Grafton, Illinois. I just wanted to say thank you very much to Ryan and his team with AOCleaning for coming out and restoring these floors back to their beautiful finish. You can just say it's 30 years of grease gone. Call it.